All right, it's a demo video of our auto flasher no-cut kit for the amber turn signals and the white reverse lights of the 2020 and up Super Duty. As you can see, we've got both here, amber and white, set up, synchronized in an X pattern. You can do one, you can do both, you can choose your pattern, no problem. Alrighty, I do apologize about the brightness. Can't really do much about that. I could try to tone it down here a little bit, but there you go. Alrighty, that's a little better. So here you can see the amber against the white demonstration of the auto flasher no-cut kit for the turn signals and or the reverse lights of your 2020 Super Duty. Again, this is a no-cut kit. You do not need to cut any of your factory wires to run this kit. Another fun fact, this is the only kit on the market which will alternate flash your reverse lights. See those white reverse lights alternating driver, passenger, driver, passenger. That's not available in any other kit except the Wicked Warnings Auto Flasher. Thanks for watching.